Okay, 2017 paper 1. Question 1. Given that f of x is equal to x squared plus 3x, evaluate f of negative 5. This is a straightforward substitution. Wherever you see x, you're putting in negative 5 instead. So stop this, go and have a go, and then have a look. So wherever I see an x, I'm going to put negative 5 in instead. So f of negative 5 is equal to negative 5 squared plus 3 times negative 5. Remember, this is a non-calculator paper. Okay, so multiplying stuff out, negative 5 squared is positive 25, and 3 times negative 5 is negative 15. So we have 25 plus negative 15, which is the same as 25 minus 15. So our final answer is 10. Marking wise, you get a mark for that line there, just for putting your negative 5s in, and then you get a mark for evaluating. The number of calls received by the police was recorded over 10 days. The results are shown below. Find the semi-interquartile range of this data. Nicely enough, this is already in order, which is, if it wasn't, you would have to do this first. So we're going to split it into, find the median, and then split them again. So stop the video and go and try it yourselves. So first of all, we have got 10 pieces of data. So we need to split it down the middle. That means we have 5 either side of our median there. We then need to split them again. So 5 on each side. The middle number is going to be this one here and this one here. So that's us got our Q1 and our Q3. Now to get the semi-interquartile range, it's Q3 take away Q1 and divide that answer by 2. So 250 take away 218 divided by 2 is the same as 32 divided by 2, which gives us an answer of 16. So the semi-interquartile range of this data is 16. Mark-wise, you get your first mark for getting your quartiles, so your 218 and your 250, and your second mark is for getting your range. Okay, question 3, fractions. We are dividing. So before we do anything, because we've got a mixed number here, we are going to change that mixed number into a top heavy. So stop the video, go and have a go yourselves. So first thing I'm going to do, I change my mixed fraction, 1 and 5/6, into a top heavy, which is 11 over 6. Remember, it's 1 times 6 plus the top number, so 11 over 6, divided by 3 over 4. Now remember, to divide fractions, we flip the second fraction and change our sign to a multiply. Right, done that. Now look and see if there's anything that can make your life easier by going across the way to see if you can cancel out. 3 and 11 have got nothing in common, but 6 and 4 can both be divided by 2. Do that first to make your life easier when it comes to simplifying. So I've done my cancelling, and now I am going to do my multiplying. So I've got 11 times 2, which is 22, and 3 times 3, which is 9. Now it's not asking you to put it back into a mixed fraction, it just says in its simplest form. So you can leave it like that. Stops you making any daft mistakes changing it back into a mixed number. If you do not like cancelling across the way, you can still just go straight ahead and do your multiplication. Remember, multiplying, multiply the top, multiply the bottom. So you'll be doing 11 times 4 is 44. And then 6 times 3, which is 18. However, you now have to simplify. So 44 and 18 can both be divided by 2. So if you do that, 44 divided by 2 is 22. 18 divided by 2 is 9. So you're back to the same answer. Right, marking wise, you get a mark for getting to this stage. So you need to be able to change your mixed into a top heavy and know how to divide, i.e. flip your second fraction and change. Your second mark comes for your 22/9.